Good morning. We're looking through our porthole and we have seen a foreign ship, a third party, coming to us this morning. Here's our hull cleaning crew. Around 7:15, some big noisy vibrations started, enough to wake us up. This is our location at the moment and we're facing towards Kangaroo Island. Oh, it looks like they have dropped off today's program of events. Yep, Saturday the 25th. Here we go, this is the pool deck today on Saturday the 25th. 25th? Yeah. It's a little cloudy and overcast today. We had a little bit of rain overnight. We just grabbed some hot chocolates. They come with the beverage package. Cheers. We just got some bacon and eggs now. I've got some potatoes, some toast, and some bacon. This is a scone in a patty pan. So we are actually anchored off the coast of Victor Harbour. You can see Cape Jervis there at the end, and then you've got Kangaroo Island off in the distance. Our journey was meant to drive out around Kangaroo Island and back in, but the itinerary did change and we are anchored in deep water while they clean the hull. Unexpected. So there is the ship down there. They are doing the hull maintenance, hull cleaning. This guy's just chilling on the side while the others are down there doing their little cleany. Alright, we are looking for bingo. It is on deck 7 at the aft, so the back of the ship.
And it's a $2,000 prize.
Jackpot prize. Yes, I think this is the big lineup for bingo. Dad believes we're going to get in, so fingers crossed. Dad's doing a line assessment. Will we get in for bingo? Will we not? Do you reckon we're going to get in or not?
I don't know.
No, everyone just doesn't know. Everyone's just taking it easy, aren't they?
Touch and go.
Oh, it's changed.
Sure it's guaranteed, but hang in there, you might have it.
It's changed. I feel like you can't go on a cruise ship without going and playing bingo. It's like when you sign up for a cruise ship, bingo is just part of it. It's like a package deal.
It comes together.
It does.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
One bingo card. Do you need a marker?
Yes.
One marker.
Thank you. Alright, so we've just paid for our bingo card. Now we're going to go find a seat to sit at.
Come on, get your hands up. That's it. Who's ready to win some money? Yeah! We're on the orange ticket. The orange ticket this time.
Game number 3.
And we're looking for not one, but 2 lines. Yes, any 2 lines with an individual white box. 50, 50, Hawaii 50. Gorgeous lady, put your drink down, you know what's coming. What is your name? Debbie, look at this gorgeous creature. Stand up, Debbie. Look at her. Here we go. Rule, hit the music. Clap along. Give Debbie some love. Here we go.
No, they should really cut you off from calling the wrong bingo.
Oh, yes, Debbie.
So we've come back to the cabin after playing that great bingo game. That was really fun. Shame you didn't win, but that's okay. It was fun to participate and see everyone do the chicken dance when they got bongo. Bad bingo. At 3:15, there's the table tennis tournament.
Yeah, not really into table tennis.
Come on, Mum, I want to see you out there. 10 p.m. late night karaoke. Explorer Hotel. Oh, it's even indoors. Deck 7. That will be fun to go watch because people get so into their karaoke. What
And then
time
you
is
get the people
that?
who
Where
really
is?
do know how to sing, and they just take it all
Yeah, and they're
away.
like,
They're just
hello.
they really get into it because they know. Yeah.
We'll always love you. And they're doing all the. What time's that? Hey, Dad, you into karaoke tonight?
I don't know about that.
So we're going to go book in our restaurants now for lunch and dinner today. You make reservations at the Lady of Dragon?
Dragon Lady.
Dragon Lady restaurant. So we're going to go do that now. Oh, what's going on over here? Is that headband making? Oh, Gatsby night. Oh, you can buy some stuff for Gatsby night tonight. These are only $15. Pretty good.
That's pretty good. That'd be good for a dance costume.
Yeah, that's true. Right, dining reservations. So we've just come into the Dragon Lady to make a reservation for tonight. Dining reservations this way. So in here is the Dragon Lady restaurant. It's got a beautiful setup. You'll also notice a lot of the artwork. We're going to use the glass elevators and head up to level 8 to check out the arcade. We go past the adult arcade. And then we have the kids arcade. Well, actually it's for kids of all ages according to the sign. Oh yes, off you go. Ding ding ding. Wow, that's a scary glass window, isn't it? It's a large arcade centre, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, there's a lot for the kids to play with, keeps everyone entertained, and not even just the kids, like adults as well. That's good. We're walking through the pantry buffet. This is the lunchtime menu. Not sure what that one is. Got some hot chips, fish. Hello.
Have you got wedges?
Curry. We've got some fruit salads. Looks pretty good. Vegetable sandwiches. Bread rolls. There's soup paste.
Yeah.
Mum's just come back from the pantry and she asked the man for anything on the plate that's vegetarian. And this is the nice little combo she was given. Look at that, 3 spring rolls with a nice sauce.
Yeah.
Do you know what sauce it is?
No, he said, would you like the sauce? And I went, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Bok choy, greens, fried rice. They also have a coffee cart which you can order your coffees, included in the beverage package as well. This is today's goodie selection. Look how they've made little like swans on the cake. Wonder what the pink thing is. Hello. What's this one? Is it chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate.
Could I just grab a slice of that? Do you want the same? Maybe we'll get 2 slices, thanks. Thank you. tiramisu, blueberry mousse, caramel pudding. I think this has been the best one we've tried so far. It's the chocolate and vanilla cake. This one here, we're not sure what it's called, but it looks like it's got some sort of mousse on top and then like a vanilla sponge at the bottom. So we just went and had a nice lunch at the pantry, nice and full now, heading back into the room to go, what are we doing?
Water slide.
Water slides.
And shopping.
Getting our bathers on to go on the water slides
Having a
and,
little lay down.
and do a bit of shopping. All right, we're heading out the door to go to the water slides. We're gonna give it a go. What do you say? Water slides are coming for you. Tonight is Gatsby night on the ship, so we're just getting ourselves all sorted into our little Gatsby era outfits. I think, Paris, you may have won best outfit there. Looking pretty good. So we're entering the blue room. Oh, it's quieter in the blue room, isn't it? Oh, yes. Well, what about just here?
I just wanted to have a little bit though.
The blue room. Ooh, little dance floor here in the blue room. And a bar. And it wraps around behind the wall as well. There you go, that was the blue room. I feel like that's a bit like the speakeasy. It's dark, it's hidden. Would we all agree that this has been like the rockiest of the nights so far?
Yeah, definitely.
We haven't had.
It's not over the top.
Nah,
This is
like you can
it
still
It is rocky.
you can still walk around fine.
Oh, it's really rocky back here.
Yeah. We've got a DJ playing some tracks for the warm-up half hour before the event kicks off at 10 tonight. Event kicks off at 10. I've got a friend in the back wanting to say hi and wave. No, not you, the lady behind us. So we're having a look at the map. Here we are down here. This is Kangaroo Island. So we haven't actually gone around it. We've just come out into the water and now it's getting a bit bumpy. The captain's like, yeah, let's just go back in for the night. We were actually docked down here near, not docked, I meant anchored down here near Encounter Bay while they did hull cleaning. So I think we've just gone out for a bit of a cruise because they've finished cleaning for the day just to try and give us some value for our money. And now we'll probably just head back in anyway. But even though like it's rocky, it's still like fun. Like it's not like, we're not like, oh, we all feel sick or oh, we feel unsafe. It's just like a bit of bumpy, which just like gives us all a bit of a laugh. It looks like we live in a like prison. Look at all the dirt, not dirt, but like all the stuff on the floor.
Let me sit down.
No. We're all having a bit of a photo shoot down here in the lobby. They've got different sites that you can stand in front of, green screen, so we're all just having a bit of a photo shoot. Just coming out to see if there's anything happening out here in the pool deck as part of the Gatsby vibe. But there isn't. Quiet night. Let's see how much the water moves. Let's have a look how much the water moves tonight.
I would have thought that water was splashing before.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here you go, it's splashing.
Oh.
Coming into the Explorer Hotel.
Will you marry me? And let's give it up for the newly engaged couple in the Explorer
There we go, we've just witnessed the karaoke in the Explorer Hotel. Pretty good. I think some people there are professionals. Some people maybe need to work on the pitch a little, but look, we're not here to be...
They were having fun. It was lots of fun.
We're not here for a singing competition, so they did such a great job to get up there and have so much confidence.
And energy.
Yeah, it was good.
And that is it for day 2 of our P&O cruise. Gatsby night is finished. If you enjoyed this vlog, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the roundabout.